Hi Jazzercise friends, I hope everybody's having a wonderful day. Susan asked me to make a real quick video that would show you how you can edit your Sign Up Genius links. So I'm going to share my computer screen here with you and walk you through the easy steps that you can take to do this. Okay, the first thing that you're going to want to do is you're going to want to have the Sign Up Genius link that Susan sent you available on your screen. So, as you can see, today I have signed up for the 4:30 class, August 7th, 2020, 4:30 to 5:30. And we're going to pretend that I can no longer take that class. So what you're going to want to do is click right here where it says change your sign up. And when you do this, you're going to be prompted with three options. And I'm guessing that 99% of us are going to want to select the second option. I signed up without a Sign Up Genius account. So I'm going to go ahead and click in the circle there next to that. And once I do, I get some options for what I can do if I signed up without a Sign Up Genius account. I think the easiest one of these three options is number 3. Send yourself an email link that will allow you to edit your sign-up item. Enter your email address. So in the box, I'm going to type in the email address that I have been using when I have been signing up for Jazzercise classes with the Sign Up Genius link. So I put that in the box and I select Send Me an Email. And in just a moment, when I go to my inbox, I will get that email from Susan saying, hey, you requested an email link that would allow you to edit your sign up for Jazzercise today. So right here, it says use the link below to edit that spot that you're requesting editing for. So I'm going to click right here to edit. And as you can see here, it is asking me, is this the time that you want to edit? Friday, August 7th, 4:30 to 5:30. And yes, in fact, that is the time that I want to delete. So I am going to click the delete button. And then it will ask me again, are you sure you want to delete your sign up for Jazzercise? And you will want to click yes at that point. I hope that was a really quick, easy tutorial. Feel free to reach out to me through Susan or through Facebook if you have any other questions. I'm able and willing to help. Thanks so much and have a fantastic weekend.